Hi, Bessie. Say hello. What does a cow say? Yes, it. What does a cow say? Okay. What does a snake say? What does a puppy say? What does a kitty say? What does say cat? What does a goat say? What does a goat say? What does a sheep say? What does a police car say? Yeah, say grandma. Say Parker. Say Deacon. Yeah, baby. Oh, you say baby? Yeah. Say Steamy. Yeah, say hello. You nerd? Yeah, you're looking at the computer. Hey, you see baby? Yeah. You count with mom? Say 1, 3. Yeah. Yeah. Oh yeah, who's that? She's looking at pictures on the computer. Can you sing for mommy? What do you sing?
Holy.
Okay, sing holy.
No.
No holy? You sing holy.
No.
No? You want to do animals again? What does a chicken say? What does a duck say? Yeah. What does a pig say? Yeah. What does a tiger say? What does a bear say? What does a birdie? Birdie. Birdie. Say I love. Yeah. What's this?
No.
Nose. Where's your teeth? Yeah, where's your teeth? Where's your tongue? Where's your toes? Toes, yeah. Where's your ears? Ears. Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
You blow kiss? You blow kiss? Say love you.